Slang number 51. The phrase is
Kold som is.
It means cold as ice.
Kold som is.
Literally, cold as ice. For example,
Han var kold som is under samtalen.
that means he was cold as ice during the conversation. Use this phrase when someone is emotionally detached or unfeeling. Slang number 52. The phrase is
Tudeprins.
It means cry baby, usually for a male.
Tudeprins.
Literally, cry baby prince. For example,
Hold op med at være en tudeprins.
that means stop being a crybaby. Use this phrase when someone is whining or complaining too much. Slang number 53. The phrase is
Gå i sort.
It means to blank out or zone out.
Gå i sort.
Literally, go into black. For example,
Jeg gik helt i sort til eksamen.
that means I totally blanked out during the exam. Use this phrase when someone forgets everything due to stress or pressure. Slang number 54. The phrase is
Fise den af.
It means to slack off or chill.
Fise den af.
Literally, farting it off. For example,
Han fiser den bare af hele dagen.
that means he's just slacking off all day. Use this phrase when someone is being lazy or doing nothing productive. Slang number 55. The phrase is
Han nosser.
It means to have guts or balls.
Han nosser.
Literally, have testicles. For example,
Du skal have nosser for at sige det.
that means you need guts to say that. Use this phrase when referring to someone showing courage. Slang number 56. The phrase is
Fyr den af.
It means go for it or party hard.
Fyr den af.
Literally, fire it off. For example,
Vi fyrer den af i aften.
that means we're going all out tonight. Use this phrase when encouraging someone to go all in or party hard.